Alright guys, so here's how to remove or delete user account on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go with the search bar and search for settings, and then go with the settings, and then from here you need to go to the accounts. Simply go with the accounts, then scroll it down and go with the other users. Alright, simply go with that and make sure that you have successfully or you are logging with the correct user. Like I am now as signed in as working PC, so this is my main user account. So the another user account is Kazi Tutorials, so I will now want to delete this user account. So how you can do that is very simple. We need to tap on this arrow and then we will get the remove option right over here. So if we tap on the remove, and it will ask me to delete account and data, so I will tap on that and then it will take some time to delete the account. So let's just wait, and that's how you can simply remove user account on Windows 11. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.